Well, here I am again at my carving station, and I'm going to try. I hate to say what it's going to be before I start, because you really don't know what's in this wood until you get into it, but I think there's a gnome in there, and I'm going to try to get him out. Let's get started. Now here's what that little gnome looked like after I got him all dressed up. Now you see this little guy is number 2 in this photo. I don't have a video for all 5 of these little guys you see here. However, I would like to have names for all of them. If you would like to help me out by naming any or all of them, please leave their name with the number in the comments. After I get them all named, I'm going to sponsor a contest where you will be able to win one of these little guys. Don't forget that thumbs up button. Now leave those names in the comments and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.